If you're looking for ways to increase your level of influence in your team or in your company, sometimes it's good to take a step back and do an objective assessment of your level of power in the organization and the relative power of all the people around you. Now, power is one of those weird words because it always seems to have a negative connotation, but it doesn't have to be that way, particularly if you understand that there's three different types of power. The first type of power is role power. And role power is defined strictly by where you rank in an organizational hierarchy. For instance, your boss, they just got more role power than you do. It's just that simple. The CEO has the most role power of anyone in your company, and the governor has the most role power of anyone in your state. The second kind of power is expert power. Now, these are people that have deep specialized knowledge in a particular area. An attorney, for instance, depending on the matter, would have expert power. The thought leaders that you and I love and know, Gary Vee and Simon Sinek, they have expert power. But also think about anyone working in cybersecurity or AI or ChatGPT. They have huge amount of expert power right now. The third type of power outweighs the other two by far, and that's relational power. Relational power is your ability to get things done when you have no other power otherwise. It's your ability to pick up the phone and get a problem solved when you don't have role power or expert power. If, for instance, you've ever gotten referred to a job to another company through a friend that you know, well, you had relationship power in that situation. Your ability to lead a matrix team or a matrix organization where you don't have a lot of other power, your success depends entirely on relationship power. Now, it's important as you look at yourself to evaluate yourself and what types of power that you have and the power of the people around you. And maybe to become more influential in your team, you simply have to leverage the relative power that the other people around you have. I hope that helps. I'm David Pinkley. We'll see you soon.